Quiz time. What is the past perfect tense of the sentence? They play football. Option A. They were playing football. B. They played football. C. They had played football. D. They are playing football. The correct answer is option C. They had played football. Question 2. Identify the future continuous tense sentence. Option A. I will work tomorrow. B. I have been working tomorrow. C. I will be working tomorrow. D. I am working tomorrow. The correct answer is option C. I will be working tomorrow. Question 3. Which sentence is in present perfect tense? Option A. She eats her lunch now. B. She ate her lunch an hour ago. C. She has eaten her lunch. D. She is eating her lunch. The correct answer is option C. She has eaten her lunch. Question 4. What is the correct past form of he goes to school? Option A. He go to school. B. He went to school. C. He going to school. D. He gone to school. The correct answer is option B. He went to school. Question 5. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? Option A. He plays cricket. B. He played cricket. C. He will play cricket. D. He is playing cricket. The correct answer is option D. He is playing cricket. Question 6. Choose the sentence in future perfect tense. Option A. I will complete the task. B. I will have completed the task. C. I am completing the task. D. I was completing the task. The correct answer is option B. I will have completed the task. Question 7. Which sentence shows past continuous tense? Option A. I was walking to school. B. I walked to school. C. I walked to school. D. I have walked to school. The correct answer is option A. I was walking to school. Thank you. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for your time. Stay connected, stay inspired,